Egypt is regarded the most powerful military force in the Arab world. This powerful Muslim nation has made substantial investments in modernizing its military equipment. It possesses a diverse array of advanced weaponry, including main battle tanks, fighter aircraft, naval vessels, and air defense systems.
अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूं इब्राहिम असलम और आप देख रहे हैं पाक रिएक्शन चैनल। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छी वीडियो लेकर आया हूं। उस वीडियो का टाइटल है कि हु इज़ द मोस्ट पावरफुल मुस्लिम कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड। तो दोस्तों, देखते हैं वीडियो कितनी अच्छी वीडियो है और कौन सा मुल्क पावरफुल है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
10 strongest Muslim nations in 2023. Number 1. Pakistan. Pakistan is currently declared the 7th most powerful army in the whole world and ranked number 1 in the Muslim world. This powerful nation possesses nuclear capabilities and maintains a strong military force. It has a large army, an air force with modern fighter aircraft, and a capable navy. Pakistan's military has experience in various conflicts, particularly in the context of its regional rivalry with India. Number 2. Turkey. Turkey has one of the largest and most well-equipped militaries in the Muslim world. It possesses advanced weaponry, including domestically produced tanks, aircraft, and naval vessels. Turkey has been actively involved in regional conflicts and has a history of military interventions. While it ranks as the 2nd strongest military force in the Muslim world and the Middle East, it was also ranked 11th worldwide by the Global Firepower Index. Number 3. Indonesia. Indonesia maintains a sizable military force and is considered to have one of the strongest military establishments amongst Muslim-majority nations. The nation has been striving to develop its domestic defense industry and reduce its dependence on foreign military equipment. The country has invested in the production of small arms, ammunition, armored vehicles, and naval vessels. Number 4. Egypt. Egypt is regarded the most powerful military force in the Arab world. This powerful Muslim nation has made substantial investments in modernizing its military equipment. It possesses a diverse array of advanced weaponry, including main battle tanks, fighter aircraft, naval vessels, and air defense systems. Number 5. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has invested heavily in its military capabilities and has the largest defense budget amongst all Muslim nations, with more than $69 billion in 2023. It possesses modern fighter aircraft, air defense systems, and naval capabilities. Number 6. Algeria. Algeria possesses a significant military force in Africa and is considered one of the strongest militaries on the continent. Algeria has a substantial number of active duty military personnel. The Algerian People's National Army is the primary branch of the military, consisting of Army, Navy, Air Force, and territorial air defense. Number 7. Bangladesh. Bangladesh has a well-structured military force and has made significant strides in modernizing its defense capabilities. The nation has been working to upgrade its military equipment and technology. It has acquired various types of military hardware, including tanks, armored vehicles, artillery systems, naval vessels, fighter aircraft, and transport aircraft. Some of the equipment is domestically produced, while others are procured from different countries. Number 8. Malaysia. Malaysia maintains a capable and modern military force and has sought to develop its domestic defense industry. It engages in the production and maintenance of military equipment, including small arms, vehicles, and maritime assets. The goal is to enhance self-sufficiency and reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. Number 9. Iraq. Iraq has been working to rebuild and modernize its military equipment following years of conflict. It has acquired various types of military hardware, including tanks, armored vehicles, artillery systems, helicopters, and fighter aircraft. Some equipment has been acquired through foreign military sales and assistance programs. Number 10. UAE. The United Arab Emirates has a well-funded and modern military force. The UAE has made significant investments in acquiring advanced military equipment and technology. It possesses a diverse range of modern military hardware, including fighter jets, tanks, armored vehicles, artillery systems, naval vessels, and missile defense systems. The UAE often procures advanced military equipment from various countries, including the United States, France, and Russia. Can you imagine what would happen if all these nations united? We would easily become the most powerful military force the world has ever seen.
जी दोस्तों, आपने वीडियो देख ली है, तो मुझे तो काफ़ी यार इंफॉर्मेशन देने वाली वीडियो थी। तो इसमें मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी कि जो बांग्लादेश है ना, पहले इन 10 में से नहीं था, तो अब बांग्लादेश 7वें नंबर पर आ गया है। तो जी बिल्कुल काफ़ी अच्छी वीडियो थी। पाकिस्तान को मतलब नंबर 1 पर देखकर मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। तो इसमें आपकी क्या राय है, तो आप कमेंट में लाजमी बताएं, मतलब कौन सा मुल्क किस नंबर पर है, तो आप लाजमी बताएं कमेंट में। तो मुझे वाकई ही बहुत अच्छी लगी वीडियो ये। तो जी दोस्तों, चलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह आपके लिए और अच्छी वीडियो लेकर आऊँगा। तो ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।